We already know which way the ibond inflation rate is going for November 2024, which is down by a full percentage point. The big question is, what will the fixed rate do? Unfortunately, there is absolutely no fixed rate formula that is published, but there are some indications, some clues on how we feel the fixed rate might be going for November 2024 and whether it's going up or going down. Now, I was talking to my friend David Inna at tipswatch.com, and he believes the best projector of which way the fixed rate is going to go is to look at the real yields, the interest rates that the TIPS market is putting out there for the 5-year and the 10-year types of bonds. And then what you do is you apply a ratio of 65%. Let me show you how it worked for last time, where the May of 2024, that fixed rate, that's the current rate now, through the end of October 2024, came in at 1.3%. If you look at the prior 6 months, and you look at the 5-year rates, the 10-year rates, those came in at 1.96% on average. When you apply that 65% ratio, that comes to 1.27%, and you see that the fixed rate was declared at 1.3%. You didn't know that till May 1 when they actually announced it, but you could have maybe seen where things were going, and his ratio worked out that way. Now let's take a look and see what's going on with November of 2024. And of course, here we are. We're talking on October 10th. Today is the day that CPI was released. That's how we know what the inflation rate is going to be for ibonds, how those are dropping by 1%, full percent when you start November 2024. But we're trying to project the fixed rate. Now, we don't know what that fixed rate will be, but we've got an idea. We're about 5.5 months into it, looking at the prior 5 months. What are those interest rate real yields? On average, they're coming in at 1.89%. You apply that 65% ratio, and you get 1.23 percentage points on there. You might look at the prior situation where that average came in after that ratio of 1.27, and you look at today's average as of October 10 and saying 1.23%. Why would they bother changing the fixed rate? That's so incredibly close. Well, here's what we're seeing that suggests that the fixed rate is likely to go down. If you take a look at April of 2024, you'll see that the average of these real yields, the real interest rates, was at 2.13%. So you had a long-term average that appeared to be heading up. I think that's why they felt confident in saying we're going to round up to 1.3%. Now you take a look at the prior 30 days. So the last 30 days in the real interest rate market right now on October 10th, that's at 1.57%. So you look at the 5-month number looking pretty much the same as the last number, but the trend is heading down right now as opposed to the trend was heading up last time, which is why I believe, and my projection is, that the fixed rate is headed towards 1.2%. We'll see in November how that works out. Hi, I'm Jeremy Keil, owner of Keil Financial Partners. And if you're interested in seeing how we help our clients get more income, pay less in taxes, and avoid big retirement mistakes, make sure to go to keilfp.com. That's KEILFP.com.